Meet Stefan, an experienced meditation instructor who guides individuals on their journey to inner peace. Today, he'll introduce us to the transformative powers of meditation. We'll explore how this ancient practice can significantly reduce stress by calming the mind and easing bodily tensions. Furthermore, meditation enhances mental clarity and focus, which can improve decision-making and productivity. Lastly, embracing meditation can lead to a dramatic enhancement in overall well-being, fostering a stronger connection with oneself and developing resilience against daily pressures. Meditation, a practice rooted in ancient traditions, serves as a tool to cultivate self-awareness and tranquility. It comes in various forms, but today, we'll focus on mindfulness meditation, renowned for its simplicity and effectiveness. This type of meditation encourages an attentive, non-judgmental awareness of the present moment, making it particularly accessible for beginners. By directing attention to breathing and bodily sensations, mindfulness meditation helps practitioners anchor themselves in the now, fostering a profound sense of peace and mental clarity that benefits all areas of life. Creating the right environment is crucial for effective meditation. Start by choosing a quiet, undisturbed area in your home that promotes relaxation and concentration. Comfort is key, so include elements that enhance serenity, soft cushions or a mat for seating, perhaps a blanket for warmth. The addition of calming elements like a small plant or gentle, natural lighting can further enhance the space. Remember, the goal is to create a personal retreat that helps disconnect from daily stresses and facilitates a deeper connection with the inner self during each meditation session. Embarking on the meditation journey begins with mastering the basics. Proper posture is fundamental. Sitting upright, comfortably, and with a straight spine enhances flow of energy. Equally important is the practice of deep, steady breathing, which aids in achieving mental calmness. Focus is cultivated by gently directing attention to the breath, allowing thoughts to pass without engagement. Beginners often encounter distractions and discomfort. Overcoming these challenges involves acknowledging the issues without frustration and returning focus to the breath. This gradual process enhances discipline and promotes a deeper engagement with the practice over time. Consistency is key to reaping the full benefits of meditation. To integrate this practice effectively into your daily life, start by setting realistic, manageable goals. Begin with a few minutes each day, gradually increasing as you grow more comfortable. Establishing a specific time and place for meditation can help make this a regular part of your routine, just as routine as brushing your teeth. Remember, regular meditation not only deepens your personal practice but also enhances its benefits, including increased calmness, clarity, and emotional resilience over time.